pretty much I'm just gonna be playing duels, I guess. That's all there's gonna be. Nice song in the background. I got a bit of a streak going. I kinda like this pack. I didn't know at first, but oh shit. Okay. I don't blame you. My clicks died. I should gap. Well done. I saw that one there. Okay, he's scary. Kinda dookie done. No earnings. 0 PR. Oh shit. No, I'm talking about myself. It wasn't personal. Aimbot. I'm cheating. Ready killer. Oh shit. Never mind. There we go. It's just Luna. Chill. Oh, I'm like really close to legend too. Like 74 wins. Oh. I don't know. I kinda wanna keep mine going. Oh, I don't know what to do. I can't spell. Oh wait. My one moment. Ah, shit. That'll be nice. Okay. Come on. Oh, why do you have to play it like that? Fight me. Oh no, he knows he's winning now. Oh, really? Wow. I would use my healing first. Come on. I had to give him the look. Is he gonna say anything? Would you be like, bro? I didn't actually have a fucking win streak. Oh, I don't have one now. Okay. Level 7. Oh, this. Oh, you forgot Kiana. Oh no, I hit boss music, bro. Look at this, man. He's circling me like a shark. I should have got double then. should I get? I could head. Yeah, let's head. Jesus, he's being tossed. Pog. Okay. Next round. Oh. Wait, is this one like a... He's like a beta getting Charmander. Level 1. Oh, you poor soul. Okay. Bet. Wait. Come on. Be cracked. Be cracked. Why aren't you cracked? Come on. No, okay. Let's turn around. Can we get some like free blocks? I wanna get a 3 block. No, come on. I'm gonna get a 3 block. It's gonna be on this guy. I had a 296 before. Ah, come on. For everyone in this game is so free. Okay. He's not bad. I mean, he is, but like, he's not the worst. Oh, 297. Ah, no! He's insane. 283. Wait. See, the axe does such little damage compared to the sword. I could hit him like 10 times more, and he's still alive. Wait, did he just head? Oh, I don't have speed. And I think I know everything. Come here, boy. Oh shit, no one. Come here, bro. I swear I had it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I do feel bad. Level 22 though. Should be interesting. Wait, check the M's, check the M's. Empty. Shit. 22. Where I noticed still like, I can't say anything, I'm level 85. But like, I noticed still the lower levels are like pretty decent. This guy's probably like gold 3. Okay. Oh shit, I actually can't spot. Hey. Say hi. Shy. Go on. Okay, he's not gold 3. Look at him trying to flex, bro. Okay, no, look at me trying to flex. I suck. Get down. Wow, it's a lava. What? Why? Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, fair enough. The whole point isn't about YouTube, man. You play the game. Is that level 10? Level 10 4 digit, bet. He's insane with the bow. Nah, he's like mental with the bow. He knows how to rod. And cheeky double hit. Crit! Crit and spam block it. That's all you can do. Oh, you wanna head? Bet. Oh, he plays Luna. Oh no. Oh wait, he's only level 29. sorry, I had to mute. Ah. So I had to mute just people. Oh shit, let me close my door. And I think, okay, Snorlax, bet. Oh, he's cheating. Okay. Oh, so insane. Why would you cheat? Imagine losing, bro. Bro. Oh wait, that's not what I want. Come on, guys, play duels. Level 9, Pog. Okay. Diamond Man 007, James Bond looking ass. Oh, you alive? Oh, he lives. Oh, I feel bad sweating on these guys. Oh, never mind. Those blocks are insane. I don't know what I... It's just like, when they don't put up a fight, I just kind of boss out. It's bad habit. Okay, come on. Great. Thank you. Let's try and go for some sort of win streak. As soon as I say that, Luna client player, okay. Level 40 though. That seems chill. Take a rod. That's a sign. Oh, you're insane. Dream versus Technoblade and nothing on this. Why was that arrow so limp? Okay. How about you don't? How about you don't? Please. Wow. Why did players have to be like this? Oh no. I took too many hits and then like... Oh, they hit it again. Oh, where are you going? Where? Chill. Okay, that fight was sloppy. Oh no, it's a techno, it's techno stan. Wait, techno stan, yeah. Come on. You play like a pussy. Come on. Oh never mind, I saw it. Internet. That's right, you got Apple. Come on, I just want a UHC legend. Please. I'm not asking for much. Just UHC legend. That's all I need. Oh, no, he's insane. Run. See that 360 rod, and I'm dead. See, I love jumping when I'm gapping, because I just take so much knockback, and then they can't hit me, unless they're insane. I think, from what I know, when I jump, the only way to stop me from taking that much KB is like rodding me. But this man doesn't know that. Oh my god. Oh, you could have rushed me then. He's gonna have health advantage. Never mind. I'm so glad it didn't eat ahead then. He's gonna try and get. Yeah. That wasn't a crit. No, but that is. And that is. Okay. Oh, I'm insane. Oh, why did that run have to hit the wall? Why did he just. Like, I was sick of it. My hand hurts from clicking. Oh my god. Okay, he's nuts. If you ever see Beavers 101 in the duels lobby, you're screwed. Let's make that a bit louder. Wait, I'm still recording? Oh, Pog. Okay, it works. Let's make that. Yeah, oh, that's really loud. Okay. You need to be able to hear me. I'm insane. Oh, I'm level 1. Just gonna. Oh wait, why is it right over my CPS, bro? Wait. Wait, what the? Oh. Wait, did he land the water clutch? Oh no. Wait, let me save, bro. Get here. Yeah, I got you, bro. Come on. Let me smack you. Wait. Bro, as soon as we get to level 5, I can have the like attack made. I'll be so happy. Oh no. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry, friend. Listen, I'm so sorry. Sweaty palms. Not even sweaty palms. Today's been quite a breeze. I've taken quite the break to do like some realm with a friend or two, and it's been going well. It's a new update, but our mob farm sucks, so it takes like 3 hours to get 30 levels of XP. Oh wait, I've like completely forgotten how to fight. Oh, is that an ohm record in Cape? Oh no. I got him. Oh no, he's nuts, he's nuts, he's nuts. I hit it? I didn't hit it. Still click. I can still click. Okay, I'm trying to focus because like it's been too long not fighting. Words. How's that? I got pot. Okay, this game. Thank you. What do you want, where? Stop. Wait, did he just switch up on me? Nah, he's actually mental. Bro, this man's skill, it's too much. I don't have to play. Oh. Oh well, GG. What's this man want? Level 12, bro. Okay, I won't jitter. That's not sweaty, right? Oh, I can't aim. I'm gonna die. He's nuts. This man's skill level surpasses my own. There's no way I can win. Bonk. Let me just... yeah. Well, I swear when I don't jitter, my aim... Okay. Another win, boys. UK. Bro, Rem is so cute. Holy shit. That armor. See, I watched this like thing on like how Technoblade PvPs because like you know, I simp. That was really fast. Yeah, so you know me, big simp for Techno. So I was like, oh wait, how he PvPs? Maybe this will help. And it's like most of the time when he goes in, he like jumps. I'm a noob. Same. And like yeah, he like jumps and gets like crit in. So like I've started doing it. It's like Pog. It's just so good. Wait, how long until I get legend? Oh, I don't know. Oh, this man, my level, nearly. No cosmetics. Holds out his rod. Oh, I'm gonna have to try. Oh, the fact he waits like I do. Oh, that lag was good. I blocked. Oh, why did I go in and gap? My brain's dead. I'm shutting off. Oh. I'm gonna have to head on him. Yeah, no, never mind. Bro, his fucking bow skills, what? Wow, imagine F5ing like that. I used to use that exact same aura, bro. Bedrock looks so clean. Don't know what I have right now. What the? Oh wait, I have the dog particle shit. I'm a big boy now and I'm very scared. Yeah, there we go. No, no, the last hit. No, I needed one last hit. I couldn't get it. 61. Bet. How long's this been already? 24. Okay, that's a long time. Okay. Can I moonwalk? Let's moonwalk. Yeah. I'm not the best. I mean, what am I saying? Look, this guy's about to prove I'm the best. No one could beat me, besides that one kid. Oh, my aim. Oh, I'm too low. That's it. He broke my momentum. Died to a gold fall. Well played. Yeah, no, it wasn't. Oh wait, let's do a loot box unboxing. Wait. Oh wait, that's okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Yay! I got two commons. Pog champ. Whoa, 50. That's actually really fucking good. Okay. Wait, my phone buzzed. Wait, I'm popular. That's assault. Bruh. Wait, smoke. Actually, that might be cool. Okay. Well, I guess that's it for this. Just chill. You might have been able to hear my keyboard. If not, oh well. I'll try and do something soon. Yeah. Bye bye.